Onboarding employees with Deel can be a game changer for companies looking to simplify the process, stay compliant, and ensure a smooth transition for their new hires. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of using Deel to onboard employees quickly and efficiently. First off, Deel is an all-in-one solution designed to help businesses manage remote teams and contractors across the globe. If you've ever struggled with managing different contracts, compliance requirements, or even simple payroll issues for international hires, Deel has your back. It streamlines the entire process, from hiring to payments, without the hassle of dealing with various legal frameworks in different countries. And the best part, you can use it for free through the link below, where we've partnered up to bring you exclusive bonuses. Now, let's dive right into how to onboard employees with Deel. The process is straightforward, but I'll highlight a few things that will help you make the most of it. To begin, log into Deel and navigate to the Hire section. You'll see options to either hire a full-time employee or a contractor. This is important because Deel is tailored to handle both types of hires, and knowing which one fits your needs is crucial for seamless onboarding. For full-time employees, Deel will take care of contracts, compliance, and tax management, while contractors will have a more simplified setup. Once you've selected the employee type, Deel automatically generates the contract template for you. The system is built to ensure compliance with local labor laws, which is especially beneficial for global teams. All you need to do is input the necessary details, like job title, salary, benefits, and start date. Deel makes sure everything adheres to local employment laws, saving you time and headaches on paperwork. The next step in onboarding with Deel is setting up payment terms. Deel supports various payment methods, including bank transfers, PayPal, and even cryptocurrency. You can choose how often your employee will get paid and adjust their payment terms as needed. Deel even handles the currency conversion automatically, so no matter where your team members are located, you don't have to worry about cross-border payments. Once the contract is set and the payment terms are defined, Deel allows you to manage any benefits or additional perks you might offer your employees. This includes things like health insurance, wellness stipends, and stock options. Deel's platform makes it incredibly easy to add, update, or remove benefits, and everything is tracked in one place. Another important feature when onboarding employees with Deel is the digital signature. Deel's electronic signature feature ensures that everything is legally binding, and your new hires can sign contracts remotely in seconds. There's no need for physical paperwork or delays waiting for documents to be signed and sent back. Once your employee signs the contract and you finalize the payment terms, Deel will notify both you and your new hire, and they'll officially be part of your team. From there, Deel helps you manage things like payroll, taxes, and compliance, all automatically updated based on their location. Now, let's wrap it up with a quick reminder. Deel's platform simplifies the entire employee onboarding process, ensuring that you stay compliant with local laws and regulations while providing your employees with a smooth, hassle-free experience. Plus, Deel's all-in-one solution helps with payroll, contracts, and benefits management, making the whole process seamless. Remember, you can use Deel for free through the link below, where we've set up an exclusive extended trial to help you get started. Thanks for watching. I hope this quick guide on how to onboard employees with Deel has helped you understand just how easy and efficient the process can be. If you're looking to streamline your onboarding, Deel is the way to go.